Fat testing Yoshi's Adventure here at Super Mario World at Epic Universe. Alright, here is Yoshi's Adventure. Oh, this is really cute. This is just adorable. You're good.
Alright. First party of two, are you going by yourself?
I'm going by myself, then they're going.
Alright, we'll let you first.
Oh, that's a cool one.
I'm gonna have you
Blue?
Yeah.
Alright, we're going blue. Alright, so here's the Yoshi's Adventure test seat, and it should be pretty simple from what I hear. So you just get in. It's a little tight right here with this thing, but all you have to do, it almost immediately turns green. Do you see that? Boop. Boop. Can't they all just be like that?
Oh. Hold on that part. Mind if I check real quick?
Yes. Oh, it's just as how far it goes down?
Yep.
That's awesome. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yoshi was super cute. It's very short. It's very, slow and kid focused. But I thought it was really adorable.